All right, we brought Mariah in because we are consolidating all the Christmas and she's here visiting. And when you come visit me, what do?
Gotta work.
Put you to work. So we are taking all the Christmas, consolidating it because it's on sale for 2 days at the shop, and kind of revamping everything and getting ready for the new year.
So this is stuff from the weekend. We've been neglecting it over the holidays since we haven't been open. So we need to get all of this out and displayed, and we're going to consolidate the Christmas into this room. I'm thinking over on those shelves. I'm not sure. We'll see what Jami has in mind.
I'm just reorganizing stuff, trying to get all the Christmas in one place so it'll make it easy for people to shop. You think you sell most of it until you get it all in one spot. Oh goodness.
Is it all going to fit on this shelf?
I don't know.
I don't know if the closet can contain all the Christmas this year.
Well, that's what I'm hoping.
Because we made a lot.
We made a lot of Christmas.
Do you want to take off these things that are not Christmas, like these corbels and things?
Yeah,
and we'll
well,
put them-
if we need to make room.
I think we'll be able to layer some of this back in there where we removed the Christmas.
All right, what else Christmas do we have? Is that it?
Just the Christmas tree stuff.
Just the Christmas
Okay, I'll
tree?
bring the Christmas tree back. Let's move the stool and we'll set it in the corner over there.
Not on
Oh, we can put it on the white stool.
And then we have those wrapped packages.
All right, so to make it easy for our customers to see all of the Christmas that we have for sale, we grouped it all together, and we are only gonna be doing a 2-day sale, which I feel like will help people realize that if they want it, they gotta buy it. Anything that doesn't sell is gonna be going into what I call the dead body closet, otherwise known as the closet over the stairs. It'll all get put in there until next year.
All right, now we've got a bunch of stuff that was over on that shelf and by it that we now need to arrange and move and get organized again. We've got lots of holes in the front room where the Christmas stuff was. So we need to put all these pieces in that were moved and fill those spaces in.
We just finished this bench before the holidays, and we had somebody that said they wanted it. They haven't contacted us back, so it's gonna go fill this void. We used to have a piano bench here and it sold the Saturday before Christmas. So just reorganizing everything at those baskets. And we can put baskets underneath too, I think.
I feel like sometimes things get moved, like
Yeah, this basket's not gonna fit.
moved 4 or 5 times before we find them their home. Now we gotta watch Jami's layering process as she moves things
Oh my
30
gosh,
times.
don't film this. You just never know.
Yeah, this big shelf still too.
All right, so we have removed all Christmas from here, and now it's like lots and lots of white. So I'm just adding these little bottles here to add a little bit of color to kind of tie it all together. These are gonna really brighten up the space, carry over the white and bright look, because in the coming year, especially in January, people are looking to lighten up their space. So you definitely don't want your retail space to look too cluttered. You want it to look new and fresh. Nobody got time to unload stuff. Yeah. So I always like to keep a window here. We have a permanent hook that's on here. We've taken down our Christmas display, so I'm gonna go ahead and make a new window and put some hooks on the bottom, and it'll sell super fast because they usually don't last very long. Yeah, like that. Now I need to go shopping in the back room, bring out some things and make a list of them so that way I know what to price and fill in all the gaps.
I've got this old window here. I'm gonna put an IOD transfer on it. It's just on the table next to our thrift haul from last Saturday. And gonna go ahead and get the nice spring transfer on here. I'm gonna be using the Frond Botanical. And I'm just gonna clean it real quick, put some hooks on it, and go ahead and put this transfer on. What's left of it. We've already used some, so I'm gonna try to organize it and see what we can do.
So I'm just grabbing these things and taking them out. I like to take out whatever just needs to be cleaned so then we know what needs to be painted and we're working on. I'm gonna go put these in the shop.
So we sell them with the hardware so that you can hang them. And then I leave one of these cleats permanently affixed to the wall and we just tape these to it. That way people can just take it with them and hang it on their own wall. Jamie's been doing this and pricing things while I've been putting the hooks on that.
Well, I'm doing the labels and then I give them to Jean and then Jean she plays find all the stuff that Jamie put in the shop. I probably should price it and then display it, but sometimes I don't know if I want to set it out until I see how it looks in the shop and I'm like, okay, I'll leave that out and then I price it. We got Mariah back here. She's working on printer trays. I picked these up like a week ago.
They're super cute.
I don't even think we showed them on our thrift haul yet.
We didn't.
Yeah, because they were in the back of the Suburban, but these I love, love, love.
There's
and I
four of
picked up
them and
4
they're
of them.
cute.
I know, I'm excited.
So I forgot to paint the back, which hides this. So Jamie's throwing a coat of white swan on it real quick.
This is actually vintage linen.
Jamie's throwing a coat of vintage linen
And
on
a
it
piece
real
of my
quick.
hair, apparently. All right, let me look and see if I like it first before I paint the whole thing. Oh, I did it on the hooks. Yeah, I like it white. It's gonna take a couple of coats to cover it, and then we'll just throw on a coat of Big Top over the top, and we'll be good.
We got the background painted white, and it is looking much better now. I knew I'd missed a step.
The shop is ready to open. We've got our Christmas all together. Hopefully some of it sells in the next few days. And then over the next month or so, I think we'll start bringing in spring, bring in some Valentine's Day, and slowly start layering some things in.
The nice thing, if it doesn't sell, we're gonna put it in the closet, and next year we'll be ready to stock.
I always like to have stuff when I'm starting off the Christmas season because it seems like it gets super busy. I want to get it thrown in the shop so it's like a little Christmas miracle when you open up that closet and all that stuff's in there. Make sure you guys are hitting up JamiRayVintage.com for the paint and products used today. Give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Jami Ray Vintage for more
DIY.
Hit the subscribe button.